And for your older boy, what's the difference in terms of the sleep quality?
Sleep quality means before we started this Koo Energy, he used to very frequently grinding his teeth. But after we started this Koo Energy, after a while, now we can see is he is much lesser the grinding teeth, and he can sleep very well. Means sound sleep he can sleep compared to
Throughout
last
the
time.
night?
Throughout the night.
How long does he take to fall asleep?
Fall asleep, he very fast he fall asleep, no problem.
So there's not much difference in that?
No much difference. But yes, grinding teeth is lesser. Means when he grinds teeth, like a disturbing is the sleep, right? Now is you can see that he has improvement.
Okay.
Yeah.
When he wakes up, does he feel any difference in the freshness?
Yeah, can see they didn't tell us, but can see the face, no freshness when they will have good sleep, right? Can see the freshness on their face. Yeah.
Does he have to take afternoon nap?
Yes.
Ahan, because he is going the morning class, so he has to get up early. So he will have afternoon short nap, like half an hour, 1 hour nap. But Aryan, because he goes afternoon to school and he wakes up late around 8:30, 9 a.m. So he doesn't sleep at means daytime.
Okay. So he's able to improve his quality of the sleep. Therefore, in the daytime,
Yes,
he's
yes, yes.
fresh. Okay.